student, in previous lecture we discussed the pointer as well as the how the memory address can be accessed by using the pointer. In this lecture we discussed the pointer and function. That is how the pointer can be used in a function. Function, it is also the one derived data type in which the largest program can be decomposed into the small parts. That is called as a function. The pointer can be used in a function in a two ways. That is a call by value. One method is a call by value and second is a call by reference. In this point we discuss the call by value subpoint. It is the call by value. Here I can be write a small module of the program. First statement is a function declaration. Here is a function calling. If we write the two lines, that is the two vertical lines backslash, it indicates that the program or the part is a comment line for the user. So compiler cannot be consider this the comment lines. It is a display as it is. This is a function calling statement. Again, we can be write the same declaration of the function which is declared in a declaration part of the function. This statement again we write. This statement is called as a function definition. This is a parts of the function. First we declare function, next the function calling, and third one is a function definition. By using the function we use the pointer. Here in a call by value, I can be use the swap is the name of a function. An integer, here is a two variables, and variable used in a function is called as a arguments. Here is a two variables which is the integer data types. Next one is I can be write here the function calling. In a call by value, when specific portion of a program invoking a function or function running, at that time control transfer from main function to the calling function. At that time the value of actual argument is copied to the formal argument. During function running, this value may be changed or altered. This changed value cannot be transferred back to the main function when control again transfer to the main function. That is called as a call by value. Just calling the value. If there is a change in a value, this changed value cannot be transferred back to the main function when control can be returned to the main function. That is called as a call by value. In this function, here the variable which is declared the declaration point is same as that of the definition point or the different. Because the variable which is declared in a declaration function, it is called as actual argument, and variable which is declared in a definition or a defining part, it is called as a formal argument. It is the same or the different name also. That is a call by value. That is when the specific portion of a program invoke a function. Invoking means running the function. Control transfer from main function to the calling function. During function running, the value of arguments may be changed or altered. This changed value cannot be transferred back to the main function. That is called as a call by value. In this method, value of actual argument copied to the formal argument. When the running, the function running, the value may be changed or altered. This changed value cannot be transferred back to the main function. That is called as a call by value. In this point, or on this the point we can be discuss a small program, that is a program to exchange content of a two variable using call by value. Exchanging call by value program to exchange content of variable using call by value. Using call by value. Hash include iostream.h void main, or here first we declare the function void. Swap is the name of a function. I can be used a swap variable because swapping means exchanging. So related to the program I can be used the function name, that is a swap. int a or int here the two integer variables can be defined or used. Next one is declaration of the variables or declaration of the function. Void main is a predefined function. I can be used a and b variable, which is a variable swapped value of these the two variables. Next, input values, enter values. Value of two variables can be entered. Here message will be given to the user. Cin can be used for inputting the value a and b. Next one is a function calling statement. How we can be function called statement, or how we can be used the function calling swap, name of a function, and variables a and b. Here is a calling function or function call statement. Next, in a function, after that the outputting is also written. Cout values are a and b. If there is a change, it can be displayed. If there is not change, it is also the display. Next one is a function definition statement or defining function statement. Function defining is same the declaration statement. Void swap int a int b. I can be used the variable name int a and b. Next, in this the block, I required a variable t. T is used as a temporary variable. Then t is equal to a. The value of a is assigned to the t variable. Then I can be write a is equal to b. The value of a b is assigned to the a. Then again b is equal to t. This statement is used to exchanging values. Value of a is assigned temporarily to the t variable. Then value of a b is assigned or give to the a variable. After that, the value of the t, which is actually the value of a is assigned to the b variable. This is a logical statement to exchanging the value of a variables. And after that, we can be write complete these the curly brackets. That is a program of exchanging content of a two variable using call by value. Here, when specific program of a function when the specific portion of a program run the function, at that time the control transfer from main function to the calling portion. In this, the same time, value of actual argument copied to the formal argument. Value may be changed during program running or altered. This changed value cannot be transferred back to the main function. Changed value here, value of A is B and B is A. This changed value cannot be transferred to the main function, that is called as a call by value. If the value of A, here A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. After that, the control transfer to the function call. When the function is called, again control transfer to the function definition. And here the value of A is changed, also the value of a B is changed. In this block, the value of A is equal to 20, B is equal to 10. But this changed value cannot be transferred back to the main function. That is, value of A is equal to 10 and value of a B is equal to 20. That is called as a call by value. Just calling करना, cannot be transferring back to the main function. Change झालेल्या value back transfer केल्या जात नाहीत. That is called as a call by value. Okay, thank you.